Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in here real quick for a quick update on my new compressor. First time I used it, it was making a terrible racket, and discovered that the fan cover was broken and it was hitting on these blades. It was broken off in many of these splines, so I just went ahead and pulled it off. I might find something else to put over there, might not. No big deal really. And the pressure gauge, I noticed that it has a place in the top of it over there to put glycerin, so I've put some glycerin in it and we'll see how that works out. And I also found out that the gauge actually glows in the dark, so that's pretty cool. And another thing with this, it doesn't put out any fumes like old Stanky here used to. So I can just have the door closed and just run this thing whenever I want it. Fill times, I didn't get any times for the fill times, but yeah, it fills the tanks up fast enough. They do get warm, and that's the only thing I don't like about them getting warm is they drop off in pressure after a while. So slow filling is fine with me, but fast is good too. So it seems to fill just as fast as this one did when it was in tip-top shape. And real quick about this, how I'm running it through this compressor, the cooling system. So if this one goes down on me, I can just pop this hose out, separate this, plug that one back in, and I'm in business. And because it's got a temperature gauge on there also, I can get an idea how hot that compressor head is and the water temperature. Alright, so far I'm really happy with this little bugger, and we'll just have to wait and see how long it lasts. Later.